Okay, so someone asked me for a tutorial on how to make Sean's dreads or how I made them. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this video. So just get your character, or if you made Sean, get him. You don't really need a rear hair because this one doesn't really require a rear hair. So you're gonna go to your front hairs and you're gonna find this one. Where is it? Oh, right there. You're gonna pick this one for 416 and you're gonna adjust it. You're just gonna move it down to around 9 and then you're gonna move it to the left, I think. Left to 4. You're gonna stretch it out to 1.25 and you're gonna stretch the Y to 1.2. You don't really need to adjust it, and that's all for front hair. And next you're gonna go to your back hair and you're gonna find this one right there, 163 to be exact, and you can adjust it, stretch it out to 1.1, move it down to -6, and yeah, that's it. That's simple as that. But if you do want like the little side pieces that I have on the side of Sean's head right there, you can add that one too. So you're gonna have to go to your side hairs and you're gonna pick the 115, that one right there, and yeah, it's 15. Yeah, that's it. And you can just color it to Sean's hair color or whatever hair color you decide to give him, making it black. But that's it. I hope this was helpful.